Chapter 9. Time. Warm-up activity. Clock. As we have learnt earlier, a clock tells us the time. It has two hands. The short hand shows hours. It is called hour hand. The long hand shows minutes. It is called minute hand. The face or dial of the clock has marking from 1 to 12. Between two markings, there are 5 subdivisions to show minutes. So, there are 60 subdivisions on the dial. The minute hand takes 1 hour to move around the clock. So, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Reading the time. O'clock time. Look at the clock given alongside. The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 7. We say the time is 7 o'clock. We write it as 7, half past the hour. When the minute hand moves from 12 to 6, it means half an hour has passed. In the given clock, the minute hand or long hand at 6 shows 30 minutes. The hour hand or short hand is halfway between 4 and 5. So, the time is 4:30. When we read the time, we say 30 minutes past 4 or half past 4. Remember, half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. The colon separates the hours from the minutes. Quarter hour. A quarter hour is a unit of time equal to 15 minutes. Quarter past the hour. When the minute hand is at 3, it means 15 minutes have passed, as 3 multiplied 5 is equal to 15 minutes. The hour hand is read by the bigger marking it crosses. In the given clock, the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is beyond 5. Thus, the time is 5:15 or quarter past 5. Remember, quarter in time stands for 15 minutes. Look at the another example. The minute hand is at 3. The hour hand is beyond 7. The time is 7:15 or quarter past 7. Quarter to the hour. When the minute hand is at 9, the time is a quarter to the next hour. Here, the hour hand is beyond 9. The minute hand is at 9. 9 multiplied 5 is equal to 45 minutes. So, the time is 9:45. This means 15 minutes are left to be 10 o'clock. So, we say it is quarter to 10. AM and PM. We divide the day as morning, noon, evening, night. We know there are 24 hours in a day. The hour hand takes 2 rounds on the clock in one day. When it is 12 o'clock at night, it is called midnight. When it is 12 o'clock during the day, it is noon time. The time between midnight and noon is AM. The time between noon and midnight is PM. Remember, we do not use AM or PM with 12. Days of the week. The duration of 24 hours from one midnight to the next midnight is called a day. There are 7 days in a week. They are: first, Monday; second, Tuesday; third, Wednesday; fourth, Thursday; fifth, Friday; sixth, Saturday; seventh, Sunday. We know that one day is equal to 24 hours. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. Today is the present day. Yesterday is the day before today. Tomorrow is the day after today. Suppose today is Monday. We say it was Sunday yesterday and it will be Tuesday tomorrow. Remember, every week starts from Monday. So, Monday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the last day of the week. Months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Remember, January is the first month of the year. December is the last month of the year. Calendar. A calendar is a record of all the days and months of a year. It shows days, weeks, and months in a certain year. Look at the given calendar. So, by looking at the calendar, we can say there are 4 months in a year, which have 30 days each. There are 7 months in a year, which have 31 days each. February is the only month which has less than 30 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Remember, February is the shortest month in a year. There are 365 days in a year, when February has 28 days. When February has 29 days, there are 366 days in a year. A year of 366 days is called a leap year. Seasons. In our country, there are 6 main seasons in a year. A season is called a Ritu. Number 1, Shishir. Sheath is the colder winter season. It remains in January and February. Number 2, Vasant is the spring season. It remains in March and April. Number 3, Grishma is the summer season. It remains in May and June. Number 4, Varsha is the rainy season. It remains in July and August. Number 5, Sharad is the autumn season. It remains in September and October. Number 6, Hemant is the winter season. It remains in November and December.